It is Sunday, the 29th of June, 2025. We're looking at the moon, and just above it, right near the top of the frame at the moment, is Mars, and it's sort of blinking in and out on my screen. I'm not quite sure how it'll look on the actual video, but I see it sort of blinking, going from quite bright to almost invisible quite steadily. I thought it was caused by clouds, but it might be some technical issue in terms of the camera itself. Anyway, we're going to let the moon come down through the frame with Mars above it for a few minutes. And I'm not going to bother trying to get any still shots because I think there's just too many problems with vibration issues. I don't have a electronic shutter on this camera that would allow it to take pictures with zero vibration, so that is that. You can hear the fire trucks in the background. Looks like they're leaving, but it does appear there was some kind of emergency, and enough to bring out, I'd say, about half a dozen fire trucks, a couple of ambulances, and several police cars. So it wasn't a small thing, but then again, I don't see any actual major fire happening. You know, maybe a kitchen fire or something like that. I really don't know. But it looks like they're packing up and leaving, so I guess I won't be getting any interesting photos. There's a bunch of them leaving now. So 1, 2 fire trucks leaving, and I still see an ambulance and sort of a, I'm not sure what it is, but it's like a fire vehicle, but it's not a fire truck. It's like maybe for sheltering people. With these guys, but I can't see up the street. There's probably more up the street. Anyway, I just thought I'd try and get some images of the moon with Mars very, very close. It's not quite an occultation, but it's pretty darn close to an occultation of Mars. And if it's pretty darn close to an occultation of Mars here, it probably was occulted somewhere in the world. I'll look into that. But anyhow, I'm just regretting not getting out earlier when there's still some blue in the sky. But had I done so, it might have been too bright. The sky might have been too bright for Mars. Like, I can't even see it with the unaided eye. Now, my eyesight's not great, so that's not helping. But with the unaided eye, I personally cannot see Mars. I can see the moon, that's not a problem. But Mars is not visible to the unaided eye. I'm not even seeing it on the screen so much at the moment. I'm not sure what's going on there. So we're going to let this wrap up. I'm going to go see what's happening with the fire truck situation. And I'm not going to, I don't think I'm going to try getting a more powerful image. I might change my mind, but this is it in terms of the imagery for tonight. Small fire.